Good morning, everybody. My name is James Cagle. Today we're going to be creating a video using the packet tracer provided us by the Cisco Net Academy. This packet tracer is 925 want encapsulation mismatches. In this video we are going to learn how to configure PPP encapsulation on serial links, and we'll also figure out how to find the mismatches and correct them. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and show an interface. Let's go over here. Okay. Show interface 000. I'll show serial interface. Okay, so you notice the encapsulation here is HDLC. Loopback is not set. The address is 10.1.1.1/30. Okay, we got more. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to configure the PPP. Alright, so we're going to go here, we're going to do a compt, which is configure terminal. Okay, it gets you into there. And then we're going to go interface serial. Whoops. Okay, we're going to go encapsulation PPP. Okay. So the question is here is, why did that turn to down? Is it because the both ends aren't this router and the other router isn't configured with the PPP? I don't know. That's a good question. So maybe we'll go ahead and go over here. Let's go bam. Let's go to router 2, and we're also going to do router 3. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to configure both of these routers with the encapsulation PPP. So we're going to go ahead and go here, close out, close out. Put in our passwords. Okay, so in here we're going to do the same thing that we did on the other one with the interface serial 0/0/0. Okay, and then we're going to give it encapsulation PPP. Alright. I'm going to do a copy run start. That way we keep all that. Okay, then we're gonna get out of this one, and then we're gonna go into router number 3. All right, so we're gonna and we are going to configure it with the serial interface. PPP on this one also. Put in our passwords and we'll get in there. We'll get into the configure terminal, which is a global configuration. And we're going to go interface serial 0/0/0. Okay, and we're going to give it encapsulation. Encapsulation. Okay, we're going to exit out of that. We're going to exit out of that. Okay, and then we're going to do a copy run start. That way we copy our running config. Startup config, running config. Okay. So, now let's go back to we're going to go back to router number 1. Okay. And we're going to check things out. Can't do that from there. We're going to do a show interface. Serial. Okay, encapsulation PPP now. Okay, and okay, what we're going to do, we're going to go back into a couple of these different routers. We're going to configure all of the deals. So okay, and then we're going to change this one also. Let's see. Go serial. Okay, there you go. So basically that's all we had to do. We had to just configure all of the routers, the different interfaces. The reason why We only needed to do serial interface 000 on this one because it only connects to this one, which is that right there. We had to configure this one, the 001, to here because they got to be able to talk to each other, and we also had to configure this one to here. Without that, they wouldn't be able to talk. The stuff would get lost. It would be in the black hole loop. Okay, and that is how you configure the WAN encapsulation mismatches. Thank you much for watching.